I'm out here at a job today in Spring Farm for a customer who called me up because they've got, they had this socket here in the garage that says it should be going to the granny flat. Now the building company's called Lily Homes, and you know, the customers moved in here and they thought, oh, maybe there's just something wrong with the NBN, but there's a data cable that goes from here and it's supposed to run. So this is the granny flat. And it's supposed to come to here. So they can plug in their router and have internet in the granny flat because it's a FTTP service, so they can have up to 4 data services off it. Then we found, that's me because I've been up in the ceiling crawling around looking at cables, fun times. Then they also found another socket in here, right? And then I checked to see if I had a tone on it. You know, nothing coming here, because what I did is I put my toner in the garage to test, right? So that cable and that cable, then I thought maybe they're just linked, put my toner on this one, went into there, nothing, right? No tone. Then I put the toner on both of those sockets again, thinking maybe that this one was it, right? Nothing. Then, of course, I got up inside in the ceiling and crawled around. I could see that, firstly, I jumped up here. There's a manhole up here as well, right? And I could see this cable going along, passing into this house. So this is the main house, right? Saw it going into there. I thought, oh, well, maybe it's sneaking through the ceiling there. But then when I jumped up in the granny flat house, where I showed you in the cupboard there, I could see the cable dropping down inside the cavity. And then, so this is the main house. So what I found is that Lily Homes, when they've done their wiring, they brought it to here. Right, so let me just, you can hear my tone comes to here, all right? So it's not going to the granny flat. It's actually, they've wired it into the kitchen of the main home, which is absolutely useless. So I'm making this video today because the owners of this property are going to have to pay to get, you know, the home rewired when Lily Homes should have done this the first time right. So they probably just had an apprentice or something do it. But, you know, as you can see, it's completely going to the wrong location, right? So this one's on you, Lily Homes. I've spoke to the client, given them some options. We're going to write a report, and basically, yeah, because I've been here for about an hour already trying to trace this out and work out what's going on. I've got other jobs to get to, so I can't spend the time here today. So I'm going to give them a quote to run in a new cable. And we're hoping, if you're a decent company, that you will pay for this to get done, right? Because otherwise, you know, pretty dodgy. So, yeah, anyway, that's the story. Lily Homes, bomb, 1 out of 10. So, got the owner here. He's just going to explain. This is their list of inclusions.
This is the list of inclusions from Lily Homes.
This is their contract that they signed.
List of inclusions.
Yep.
Under electrical, 0.24, NBN basic package to main house and granny flat.
There you go. All right, Lily Homes, you know what to do. Give this customer some money for us to do it, or you send a decent qualified Sparky to come back and do it himself. Right. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.